We have 2 plus 4 times minus 5 all over divided by 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6 and times minus 5 and all over divided by 6. Now 6 times minus 5 equals minus 30 and divided by 6. Now we have minus 30 divided by 6 equals 6 times 5 equals 30. So keep negative sign, so minus 5. But this is not correct. Why? Because multiplication must be done before addition. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule: multiplication and division left to right before addition and subtraction, right? So multiplication first. So 2 plus 4 times minus 5 equals minus 20, right? Keep negative sign, so all over divided by 6. Now we have 2 plus and inside the parenthesis minus 20 and minus and plus minus, right? So minus 18. Keep negative sign and divide by 6. So now minus 18 divided by 6 equals minus 3.